Imagine waking up 10 years from now. You check your investment account, and instead of seeing just a few $100s, it's worth tens of thousands. Now imagine the opposite. You kept saying, "I'll start next month." 10 years pass, and your money is still sitting in a savings account, losing value to inflation. Here's the crazy part. You don't need to be rich to invest. You don't need to understand Wall Street. And you definitely don't need thousands of dollars. If I had to start from scratch with just $100 today, this is exactly what I'd do. Why most people never start. The biggest mistake beginners make isn't picking the wrong stock, it's waiting. People think they need the perfect time, the perfect strategy, or a huge paycheck. But investing isn't about timing the market, it's about time in the market. The earlier you start, the harder your money works for you. Step 1. Build your safety net. Before buying a single investment, ask yourself one question. If my car breaks down tomorrow, could I pay for it without using a credit card? If the answer is no, start with an emergency fund. Aim for at least 3 months of basic living expenses. Think of it like wearing a seatbelt. You hope you never need it, but you'll be glad it's there. Step 2. Stop chasing hot stocks. Every year there's another company everyone says will make them rich. Last year it was one thing, this year it's something else. Here's the truth. Most professionals struggle to consistently beat the market. So instead of trying to find the next superstar stock, own a tiny piece of hundreds of companies at once. That's exactly what a broad market index fund does. Instead of betting on one winner, you're betting on the American economy over the long run. Historically, that's been one of the simplest approaches for long-term investors. Step 3. Invest automatically. Here's what wealthy people understand. Consistency beats intensity. You don't need to invest $5,000 all at once. Even $25, $50, or $100 every week can add up over time. Set up automatic investing, then forget about it. Because your biggest advantage isn't intelligence, it's consistency. Step 4. Ignore the noise. The news will tell you the market is crashing. Social media will tell you someone made $1 million overnight. Don't let either one control your decisions. Investing should be boring. The more exciting it feels, the more careful you should be. The people who usually build real wealth aren't making dramatic moves every week. They're following the same simple plan for years. So if you're just getting started, remember these 4 rules. Build your emergency fund. Choose diversified investments instead of chasing hype. Invest automatically. Stay patient. Nobody gets rich overnight, but almost everyone who sticks with a sensible long-term plan gives themselves a much better chance of building wealth. If this video saved you from making one expensive mistake, hit like. Subscribe for more simple money tips every week. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest thing stopping you from investing right now? See you in the next one.